Hello beautiful people, it's Bridget. Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day, and today's video is going to be another hair dye transformation video. So I'm here makeupless and face naked today to show you guys my hair transformation. I'm going to go from this it's a decent purple, but my roots look real bad, so today we're gonna dye my hair. I think we're gonna try to go cotton candy pink or just a really light pink, because I feel like I can pretty much lift purple out fairly decently. I'm not sure what's underneath here. It might still be green underneath there, but today we're gonna go ahead and do that and also bleach my roots. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm wearing this hair color shirt, which is an Imagination foundation shirt that I got from the thrift store for $1, and I really liked it, but I knew I wouldn't wear it, so it's my hair color shirt now. So I'm going to use this Knight & Wilson bleach to bleach and lift. So I'm going to bleach my roots out because hair color, or semi-permanent hair color, won't stick to regular roots. You need to have your hair a little bit damaged first. So I'm going to bleach my roots and also lift out the rest of this color. I'm going to do my roots first just so they have time to lift to a blonde. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to get this out because it should be blonde underneath here. Not entirely sure. This Knight & Wilson bleach kit is available at Target. I will leave it linked down below as well as every product used in the video I will link down below, including my hair care products. So this is what we're using today. I think it's like $8 at Target. Really good deal. And I've already used this before. It's just a little tube. I'm just going to use the rest of this today. One thing I like about this bleach kit, since I started using these instead of a powder bleach, one, since it's a cream bleach in a tube, it's really easy to mix. Like powder, you have to sit there and like make sure there's no little chunks in it. But there's not that much developer, so you can save this. I usually put it back in the box and save it for the next time I want to bleach, because usually I just bleach my roots. But this one, I'll just keep this, and then I just buy a big bottle of developer that I will do anyways. So when I run out of developer, because there's only like a little bit in here, I can just add some more developer and still use the cream bleach instead of a powder, which is really convenient. And I hope that made sense. I feel like that wording did make sense. So because my roots, like you can see my roots, they're very light. I'm naturally blonde, so they're not very dark roots. I am going to be only using 20 volume developer, and I really don't leave my bleach in that long. Since we're going pink and this purple isn't too dark anyways, I'm not going to leave it in there for too long. I just want to lift the roots a little bit and lift this color out, but I don't necessarily want platinum hair. This could be recommended to leave on for up to an hour. I'm probably going to leave it on for about 20 minutes. And now that my neighbors are being super loud, I'm going to use my gloves and apply the product to my head. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so what I'm going to do also is I'm going to take a little bit and bleach my eyebrows. And by the time I'm done running this through my ends, I'm going to remove this, or maybe a little bit sooner. I don't want my brows super dark, but they are too dark for the color I'm going for. I definitely suggest, if you have really sensitive skin, to apply Vaseline around your eyebrow hairs before you do this to protect your skin. But because my hair lifts so fast, I'm not going to bother. Okay, so I look weird as hell right now, but it is my hair. It's already turning pink because the purple is lifting out. I believe that when I put purple over this, there was green underneath, so hopefully it'll get neutralized and then we can go pink. Although my face is like real pink right now, not gonna lie. So this is the hair color I ended up with after the bleach. It was all very blonde, which is a couple small strips of purple left. But I lost all that footage, so I'm sorry I don't have it. Okay, so my SD card corrupted and I lost all the footage of me doing my hair. So what I did was I took the Arctic Fox pink, the virgin pink color, because it's the only pink they really have that's not fluorescent. And I wanted to dilute it with a ton of conditioner and also get some hydration back in my hair. So I chose this just cheap one from CVS to dilute it. So I did about 3/4 of this and 1/4 of hair dye. I probably should have picked a white conditioner, not a green one, just so it'd be easier to see the actual color when I was mixing it together. But this is the mixture. I just put a ton of this to dilute it because I think virgin pink on its own is very pretty, but I wanted something a little bit softer. And now let's go show you the hair reveal. I'm sorry this is so not professional, but I'm not a professional. Okay, so my camera died when I was talking to you guys, so I couldn't record my hair color process. This is what it looks like. I went section by section. I did the top layer, I went and sectioned it off and did it all. It looks so vibrant right now. Like more vibrant than this does. So I don't know what this is gonna look like. It could just leave a little bit of a tint to it because it's so diluted. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Alright guys, so this is the finished hair color. What do we think? I am gonna go ahead and say I don't think it looks terrible. I just let it air dry again because I didn't want to put heat to it. I don't think it looks terrible. Obviously there's like some blonde patches in here because it was mixed conditioner. I feel like part of it was more conditioner and less dye, so it's not completely a good hair color dye. Like there's some blonde up here and stuff, but I don't think it looks terrible on me. I feel kind of fun. However, I don't think I'm going to keep it. I think I am going to go ahead and go purple back again because I personally think purple looks better on me than pink, but I really wanted to see like what pink would look on me nowadays, especially since I am a little more tan than I was before. So I don't think pink looks bad. I feel kind of fun. I feel kind of youthful. But I think I just like purple better. I think it's a little more flattering on me. However, I don't think this looks completely terrible. And I feel kind of cute right now. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do think that if you want this kind of hair color, you can just use this. You can dilute it too. But you can probably just use this. Probably put it in for like 20 minutes. Arctic Fox works really well. But yeah, I just wanted to see what pink hair color looks like on me. Also, like using a ton of conditioner mixed in with the Arctic Fox. Both Arctic Fox and conditioner put more moisture back in your hair, and for leaving it in there for like 45 minutes, I think it did a really good job of like giving my hair a little bit more stability to it, because this is just air dried and it still looks way more healthy. The roots feel really healthy up here. The ends feel kind of dry a little bit, but like up here this feels real healthy considering I just bleached it. I also use Milk Day leave-in conditioners and a little bit of the Brioche leave-in conditioners. I'll leave those linked down below. But a lot of you guys ask me how I can change my hair color all the time and not have like super destroyed, breaking, fried hair. My hair isn't necessarily the most healthy in the world because I do mess with it a lot, but I am a big believer in using dry shampoos instead of washing all the color out all the time. I love leave-in conditioners. I feel like they really help. Once in a while, I use a little bit of Olaplex and leave it on my hair for a couple days. I know it's not recommended to leave it for a couple days, but after I wash my hair, I might take like a little quarter-sized amount, rub it through my hands, and leave it in my hair and just let it dry with it in there, and it helps preserve it. But yeah, this is me with pink hair, in case you guys are wondering what I look like with pink hair nowadays. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!